Hey everybody, MrGunsNGear did a body armor test a little while ago where he shot some bimetal 9mm against a vest and it penetrated. So I've got some Tula 9mm, our 4.95-inch M&P, and we have some US body armor level 2 down yonder. If it goes through level 2, I have some level 3. These are pretty old vests, so if they go through both, maybe we'll try a new manufacturer. We're at approximately 10 feet, and we've just got some water jugs as a backer. Impact velocity was 1201. So here was our impact. It broke the back side of this vest right there. Again, this is a level 2. Really old vest. But the bullet is inside there. So I don't know what was up with his vest, but this one seemed to capture it just fine. So here is our panel from the 9mm Tula. Let's cut it open and see if we can find the... That makes it pretty easy. So our round went through almost 3/4 of that vest. There's our recovered round. Typically what I see of full metal jackets is the front mushrooms out like that. I'd say for a 9mm, that bimetal jacket definitely did help it keep its shape and penetrate, but even in this level 2, didn't have enough to go through. So, thanks for watching.